a personal AI assistant, you can start adding multiple tools into it. So it will be a tools agent to get most of your job done by the AI agent. I will give this workflow a name personal assistant, and I will start with chat trigger for the time being, and then you can attach any other trigger with it. So I'll be connecting it with the AI agent. So it will be advanced AI tool and it will be AI agent. Now, what I need to do, I need to connect the chat model, which will be a Gemini for the time being. And right now I'm using Gemini 2.5. You can, of course, use anyone. So I'll be using 2.5 Flash or 2.5 Pro Experimental. It's March 25th. And now I'll be giving it memory also so that it can recognize or it can remember the previous conversation. So I will use simple memory here, and 5 context length is fine here. Now, of course, it is a chat conversation agent, so it will automatically give the response, but I need to add a tool, and that tool will be, for example, Gmail tool, which means that I want this chat agent or this AI agent or this personal assistant to listen what I want to say, and based on that, I want it to send the email on my behalf. Let me first of all double click Gmail and let me tell it what will be the true email address, what will be the subject, and what will be the message. So if I click this, you can see here this little icon, which means that AI will decide what should be the to address and what should be the subject and what should be the message. So I'll simply click this. So it will be defined automatically by the model. Click this and click this. For the time being, I will be using the text type. And one thing that you need to do here, I will be coming down here, add option, and I will use append n8n attribution, and I will disable it. Now, if I save this, I can start chatting with it, and let me show you what it will do. I will give the instructions. I will say send email to amjad@simplex.com and ask him to send a proposal for workflow automation. This must be sent as early as possible. So whatever content you want to add. So it is, of course, an AI agent. It will understand to whom the email has to be sent. So you don't need to explicitly mention the email address is this, because it will understand what is the email address. It will understand what is the content of the email. And if it has confusion, it will again ask from you if it needs the subject line to be changed, or if it is not able to understand that what is the subject line, what should be the body. It will ask you the question. Otherwise, it will simply send the email. And that's the reason memory is extremely important, because it will store the things into memory. And if it is confused, it will ask you again. Now you can see here, it said that I have sent email to amjad@simplex.com asking for the workflow automation. And here you can see complete log is maintained here. If I pop out this log, so from here the conversation started and here it ended, everything is recorded. And if I double click the Gmail, let me close this window here, double click Gmail, you will see here 2 addresses added here, and then the subject line is added here and message is added here. So let me check the email now. So if you see here, this is the email that I have received, and here is the email body. So subject is here, sender is here, and of course here is the email body. Now I will attach another tool also here. Instead of send email, I will choose get email. So I will do Gmail, and here I will be using set automatically the tool description. It will automatically choose the description. Message, I will use, of course, message. Operation, I will be using get many. And here I will choose, let the AI decide what is this. And here also I will choose the AI. So AI will be choosing everything from here, how many emails it should return, whether it is simplified or not. So let me now ask the question from it. Give me last 2 emails that I got in my inbox. So it will now run this tool. It will get all email. Here you can see. And now it will be giving me response back. And here, if I double click this, it will show me what emails I have got. So you can see here, these are 2 emails that I received. And here, if I open the chat, so 2 emails that I have received from here. I can also ask, give me the subject of last 10 emails that I got. So it will not give me further details like sender and all of that, only subject of 10 emails that I have received. So this will be extremely easy because now you don't need to explicitly mention what you are looking for. The AI agent is doing its job. So whatever you have asked, it will give you that. So here are the subjects of 10 emails. These are all the emails. So I can ask it, so delete the email with this subject line. So I can do that also. I can add, of course, multiple tools here. So I have added 2 nodes here. Of course, I can use it to delete the email. For example, reply to email. You can also use to delete the email. You can have many tools connected here. But the easiest way right now is to use MCP and give these tools to MCP and connect the MCP tools here. So one will be your email system, another will be your, for example, calendar system, another will be your contact system, and so on. So you can connect all these Gmail's tools to MCP, and I'll show you that in next videos. So let's continue the next video where we'll see how we can have an enhanced version of personal assistants built using n8n.